Okay, so one of my subscribers has shown an interest in these Fit Shear Pliers. He said he's been chasing them for a while but unable to buy them. I mean, I'm not surprised. I'm pretty sure that I got some of the last stock there was. So I actually have a spare pair here. So I told him if he sent me his details, I'd send him one over. So we'll just get that organised. And I also have some of my stickers here. So I'll send him a couple of those, and yeah, I'll just make my way down to the post office now and see how much this is going to set me back. So I'll just pop the pliers into my satchel here, and we'll head off down to the post office. Right, so we're coming up to the post office. It's a lovely old building here in the air. I probably won't be able to video inside it, but we'll get there. And of course we're using our Check in Queensland app.